is Caroline from WDBNK, and today's recipe will be a simple stinging nettle soup. Into the water I will add 2 potatoes. I just cut them in half. I will add an onion and a carrot. And I will add a bit of love parsley. This is so useful. I have it in the garden. It stays there for a lifetime and grows 1.5 meter high. And it's great. In a tea egg, I will add my clove buds and some laurel and broth. This can boil for about 20 minutes. I had like a crazy idea now. I think I will try to add a bit of peanut butter. I still have some. It's homemade. You find the recipe in the blog. I'm really curious now how this will taste with the peanut butter, but I'm really positive about it, so